Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, the student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is chef baking. In this question, chef knows n customers will come to his bakery today and he has baked m cakes where m is greater than or equal to it. So there is at least one cake to give to each customer. Now every customer needs to buy at least one cake, otherwise they will be for sure unhappy. And further, if a customer is able to buy two cakes or more cakes, then they will be happy. Now, chef wants to maximize the number of happy customers while not leaving any unhappy customer. So, what is the maximum possible number of happy customers that chef can have? So, in the input format, we're given only two integers, m and n, representing the number of customers that will come today and the number of cakes chef is going to build, where m is greater than or equal to n. Now, in the output, we need to print in a single line that what is the maximum number of happy customers. So in the first input, chef has three customers and seven cakes. So chef will first of all give one cake to each of the customer. So chef is now left with four cakes and there are three customers. So chef can still give one cake to each of the customer and every customer will have at least two cakes and then all the three customers will be happy. So the maximum possible answer is three. The second input, chef is going to make six cakes and there will be four customers. So first of all, chef will give one cake to each of the customer. So chef will be left with two number of cakes, right? Now chef can give those two cakes to each of those two customers, like any of those two customers, and those two customers will be happy. And rest two customers won't be happy because they'll have exactly one cake, but they'll not be unhappy either. So the maximum possible answer is two. Now let's see the solution. So in the solution, we have n customers and m cakes. Now the number of, so basically we need to give at least one cake to each customer, right? So let's count how many cakes are left after giving one cake to each customer. So that would be m minus n, where m is the total number of cakes. And we are giving one cake to each customer, so we are still left with m minus n number of cakes. Now we can give those m minus n number of cakes to like the maximum number of customers we can, right? So the answer would be m minus n, but there is a possibility that m minus n is bigger than n itself, right? So in that case, our answer would be n only, and some customers will be getting more than two cakes. So our final answer will be n of n comma m minus n. That's pretty much the whole solution as well. Now let's do the code in C++ and Python. So this is a solution in Python. So what are we doing? We're first of all taking in the input of n comma m using this. So over here, we are taking in the input of the whole line as a string and then splitting it with respect to spaces. So this will give us a list of strings and we'll convert that list of string into a list of integer using this map and map them inside n comma m. And our answer is simply min of n comma m minus n. And yeah, that's it. Now let's see the solution in C++. So yeah, this is the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking in the input of n and m and we'll be printing min of m minus n comma n. And that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity is constant because we're doing just 4 or 5 constant operations. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye.